Hi everyone, today we will learn how to make a gradient logo design. So first of all, take a ellipse tool, shift and alt, and you can make a stroke, for example 0.5 pt. The color will be black. Okay, so take another circle. You can use by Ctrl C and Ctrl F and drag it by shift and alt, and then put this circle in the left arrow. Right, you can adjust the alignment here and pick this circle. You can press the alt and drag it to this point. Right, you can then align this and click on this circle and this circle, Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, then press shift so that it is fully aligned on a certain angle, and rotate this, and now we have a shape. Click on this outer circle and then Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, and then shift and alt, then drag it to location. Right, so now click on the Ctrl Y, you will see the lines. Okay, so select the whole thing, go to shape builder tool and click from here to here, move like this, same like this, and then same like this, and same like this. Okay, so we have a shape. Click on Ctrl Y so that you can see the outlines. Press on shape builder tool and you will see that there is a plus option. So when we click on the alt, or when we press the alt button, and then it will show the minus sign. So left key of your mouse or the touchpad and the inner circle will be removed. So click on the gradient option. If you don't have this panel in this, you can go to Windows and you can click this gradient. Okay, so I have already pre-designed the gradient. Remove the stroke and you will see that this is a simple 3D shape. It looks like a 3D in Adobe Illustrator. Then we will play with the gradient options we have, like radial option. You can see that this is done. In just 3 minutes we have the gradient logo design tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.